the rule, I've stopped it, so that's the reason I won't accept. So the next time I come here, I would want to check, give it to our girl child's animation. It is 3 days after
That's extremely kind of you, sir. There are no words.
And the best delegate. Any guesses? Dora the Explorer.
The youth will inherit this world in the fast approaching future. I'm pleased to say that with confidence and positive energy I see, here we are indeed living the world in safe hands. Keep up the good work, believe in yourself, and best of luck. Thank you.
We now convey our and now. As Voltaire once said, appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong.
Good evening, the Secretariat of VH14, respected dignitaries seated in the audience, delegates from more than 31 schools across the country, faculty advisors, and respected audience. On behalf of the dedicated and hard-working team of the host school, Vibgyor High Goregaon West, and the Secretariat of VH14, I take immense pride in what we had to offer over the past 3 days. I recollect that on this very day, a year back, I had mentioned, and if you remember, that international issues of importance will be discussed, resolutions will be passed, intense debating will ensue, differences will be justified, comments will be made, muck will be thrown. But at the end, once the dust settles down, a new vision will emerge. Diplomacy will win over argument, and mankind can breathe easily because there will be order in spite of chaos, friendship in spite of bitterness, and calm in spite of the storm. Today more than ever before, in the history of mankind, the young people, they have a voice. But energetic, smart, enthusiastic, effervescent, and powerhouses of energy. They are fueled and fired into space, and now you guys are in the trajectory mode. So it's not just this earth, but the entire universe that is your playground. My earnest advice to them and to every young people and to every young delegate here is, the universe is your playground, now go play. Those who don't play when they can, those who can't play or will not play when they can, we may have to pay when you can't. You have no right to dream of a better tomorrow when you can't work for a better today, because it's your todays that will determine your tomorrows. Today as I stand here, I'm greatly indebted to my mentors who have immense faith in my team and in me and in what we do. Our director, Ms. Kavita Sahai, under whose wings I enjoy my...
Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, I would say I'm pretty nervous because I saw such brilliant students giving such brilliant speeches. So I'm always I was always a backbencher. Though my mom was a professor in the college and she always wanted her son to be an engineer, which I became one. But I remember when I finished my degree, I told her that I want to become an actor, and I knew that I'm going to get scolding from her. But she said if that's your dream, just go and fulfill it. And now you have to make it happen. So I think her faith in me, that brought me to this city where I never knew a single soul. And I took 1 year from her and I told that, in 1 year I'll do something, otherwise I'll come back to Punjab. But I would say, it's been 14 years and still trying to make my mark, but been blessed to work with the best of banners. And though she's not there, I lost her 5 years back. But I think her wishes made, I'm standing in front of you. I think it's all because of wishes and working on some good projects and hopefully, the dream which I saw many years back, I'll see that coming true and make her feel proud. But like seeing all of you, my son is also a part of your family, and I remember the first time I got him to the school. I met Kavita ma'am, Shim sir, and some Kerala sir, and I knew this is the right family I want to be associated with, and I'm really blessed, really feel proud that I'm a part of this family, and now seeing all of you. And I think I would like him to grow like you and, have those nice ties and those sharp suits and, maybe attend one of these, functions. So I would really feel proud and wait for the day to happen. But just want to wish all of you all the best. And I've always believed that, if you respect your parents and if you worship them, all your dreams do come true, apart from your books, apart from how much hard work you put in. So just believe that those prayers are going to make your dreams come true. So just love your parents and everything you'll achieve, whatever you dream of. So on that note, I would like to say something about Viva. My association with Viva has been from 2010 when I was called for it, and it's a great youth festival. I remember. When I attended as a judge of Viva Short through the lens, it was a competition. So the first Viva itself created such a buzz that there was. I remember there were 4 schools that participated in the first one, and then in Viva 5 in 2013 we had 571 schools from 5 different states that took part. So I think it's a big achievement for all of us. Each year I've been part of Viva as a parent, as a guest, as a chief guest sometimes, and I've watched that phenomenal growth, in the school sports and cultural festival, and it gives me immense pleasure, honor that I'm here to announce the launch of Viva 6 for the year 2014, and we have to make it a huge success. Yeah. So all said, I'm supposed to do something which will make something happen. I think that's it. Okay. जी आई थिंक जब भी हम वापस ऐसी जगह पर आते हैं तो वापस अपने बचपने के अंदर वापस आ जाते हैं. रियली फेल्ट नाइस सबको देखकर इतने कमाल का कंपटीशन. आई थिंक जो नई जनरेशन है कुछ अलग ही लेवल की है और जब भी हम इनसे मिलते हैं तो हमेशा हमें नर्वस कर देते हैं ये लोग. नहीं आज माई सन वॉज नॉट हियर बट ही स्टडीज इन विब्योर. आज नहीं थे यहाँ पे. मुझे याद है कि मैंने एक बार स्कूल की जब छुट्टी होती है जो बेल बजती है तो मैंने एक बार प्रेस कर दी थी पहले ही और मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी थी. और इनफैक्ट जैसे मैंने बोला कि मेरे मदर खुद प्रोफेसर थे तो उनसे भी बहुत डांट पड़ी थी कि एक टीचर का बच्चा होने के बावजूद तो ऐसी गलती कैसे कर सकता है. जी दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर. थैंक यू.